guys, we're gonna show you something. And ipapakita din kami sa'yo. Sa inyo pala. It's our... Meron kaming may gagawin kami na series. It's called T13 season. Na pwede kayo manahimik lang. Tapos, ito sasabihin nyo, ito yung kailan tong dadating, sasabihin ko lang sa inyo. Yun lang. It's gonna release
tomorrow. Actually, no, it's not tomorrow.
It's gonna release if the Fuckbone releases new episode. New episode.
Why?
The episode is coming with the Fuckbone pag pinost ka na.
It's coming.
So, blah 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 blah. Yun lang, hindi ko alam ng kailan anong papakita namin ng bagong characters. Ipapost na lang namin. We be like this, no me like Kachi, no me like Kachi, no me like Kachi. May dadating ng mga characters of Skibidi Toilet kaso di namin alam na paano mag-paint. So, we're gonna stick with animatronics na robot na sa Bumblebee. Yes. Yeah. So, bye-bye! So, guys, yan si Benben, yan si Benben, yan si Troy. Yan si Troy. Yan. Peace out!